Girls say this when falling for you. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever found yourself wondering if those little comments from her mean something more? Well, fear not, because today we are diving into the affectionate expressions, uncovering the phrases and remarks that girls often use when they are genuinely falling for you. And by the end of this video, you will have a deeper understanding of these verbal cues and what they really signify. Ready to tap into the subtleties of her words and discover if she's falling for you? Let's uncover these tender revelations together. I was just thinking about you. If she tells you she was thinking about you, it's a clear sign that you occupy her thoughts regularly. This remark suggests that you're not just a fleeting thought, but someone who has made a lasting impression. It's her way of saying that you are important to her and she values the bond that is forming. This kind of spontaneous sharing indicates that her feelings are becoming more serious and that you play a significant role in her life. I feel so comfortable around you. When a woman expresses how comfortable she feels around you, it's a significant indicator that she's developing deep feelings. Comfort suggests a level of intimacy and ease that goes beyond casual dating or friendship. It means she feels safe to be herself without pretenses. This feeling of comfort is foundational for emotional investment, signaling that she values the connection and feels emotionally secure with you. I've never told anyone this before. When she shares secrets or personal stories that she hasn't shared with anyone else, it shows a high level of trust and emotional intimacy. It's her way of opening up her inner world to you, which is a big step in deepening a relationship. These moments of vulnerability are crucial in building a stronger emotional connection, indicating that she's not only comfortable with you, but also sees you as someone special and trustworthy. I love how you, a specific trait or inaction. When a woman points out a specific trait or inaction of yours with affection, it's a sign she's paying close attention to who you are. This kind of compliment goes beyond general flattery. It shows she appreciates your unique qualities, whether it's a gesture, your sense of humor, or the way that you handle situations. Her noticing and loving these specifics indicates that she's valuing you, not just for how you make her feel, but for who you are. It's a clear sign of deepening affection and interest. You make me laugh. Laughter is a powerful connector in human relationships. If she frequently mentions that you make her laugh, it's a sign she's enjoying her time with you immensely. Shared laughter, as we know, creates a bond and a sense of mutual understanding and comfort. It signifies that she not only finds joy in your company, but also associates you with happiness and good times. This is a key ingredient in building a deeper emotional connection and indicates that she's falling for you. I miss you. When she expresses that she misses you, this is a clear indicator that your presence has made a significant impact on her. Missing someone means they occupy your thoughts and that their absence is felt. This expression signifies that you are important to her and that she values the time spent together. It's a straightforward acknowledgement of her desire to be with you, implying a deepening of her feelings. I feel really happy with you. A direct statement about her happiness when she's with you is a strong indication of her growing feelings. It's a simple yet profound admission that your presence positively affects her emotional state. This acknowledgement shows she associates you with positive emotions and experiences, which is a key component of falling in love. When a woman feels truly happy with someone, it often means she's deeply connected and invested in the relationship. Can you help me out with this? When a woman asks for your help with a specific task, it's a sign that she trusts you and values your capabilities. This request for assistance can be a way of inviting you into her life and creating shared experiences. Whether it's something small and practical or more significant, her reaching out is an indication that she sees you as reliable and capable. And it also shows a willingness to be vulnerable and admit that she needs you, a key aspect in the development of a deeper emotional connection. I can't wait to see you again. This expression of eagerness to meet up again is a strong indicator of her emotional investment in you. Now, it's not just about enjoying your company, it's about actively looking forward to spending time with you and feeling a sense of excitement about it. This anticipation speaks volumes about her feelings, suggesting that your presence brings her joy and that she values the connection you both share. We have so much in common. When she frequently points out similarities between the two of you, it's a way of highlighting the compatibility she feels. Now, this isn't just about shared interests or hobbies, it's about aligning on a deeper level, which is essential for a meaningful relationship. And by focusing on these commonalities, she is subtly suggesting that you both fit well together, indicating that she's considering the potential of a more serious relationship. I told my friends and family all about you. When a woman mentions that she's talked about you to her friends or family, this is a significant indicator that she's viewing you as an important part of her life. This sharing means that she's including you in the inner circle, a part of her world that is reserved for those she cares deeply about. It also suggests that she's proud or excited about your relationship and is seeking validation or sharing her happiness with those closest to her. This reminded me of you. Now, if she links objects, places, or moments to you, it's a sign that you occupy a prominent place in her thoughts. It shows that various aspects of her daily life trigger thoughts of you, indicating a deepening emotional connection. Now, this behavior demonstrates that she's not only thinking of you often, but also associates positive feelings or memories with those thoughts, strengthening the emotional bond that she's developing with you. I really like spending time with you. This straightforward statement is a clear sign of her affection and interest in you. When she expresses enjoyment in your company, it's an acknowledgement that your presence adds value to her life. It's more than just enjoying a good time. It's about appreciating the connecting conversations and experiences that you share together. This level of enjoyment is a key ingredient in the development of a romantic relationship. I feel safe around you. Feeling safe and secure with someone is a profound indicator of trust and emotional attachment. If she expresses feeling safe around you, it means she trusts you not only on a physical level, but emotional as well. This sense of security allows her to be more open, vulnerable, and emotionally available, which are crucial aspects of a deepening relationship. It's a sign that she sees you as a protector and a confidant, roles that are significant in a loving partnership. How was your day? Regular check-ins about your day signify that she cares about your life, your feelings, and your experiences. It's a way of staying connected and showing interest in the mundane aspects of your life. Now, this kind of consistent, thoughtful communication is a hallmark of emotional investment and indicates that she's not just falling for you, but also genuinely interested in your well-being and happiness. What do you think about insert some future plan? Now, asking for your opinion on her future plans is a significant hint that she sees a potential future with you. This question shows that your thoughts and opinions matter to her and that she's considering you in her long-term vision. It's a way of subtly including you in her life plans, engaging how you fit into her future. Now, this forward-thinking approach indicates she's serious about where the relationship could go. You understand me so well. When a woman tells you that you understand her well, it reflects that deep level of emotional intimacy and connection. This acknowledgement means that she feels heard, seen, and appreciated in her truest form. It's a sign of comfort and trust and an indication that she values the unique understanding you share. Feeling understood is a powerful aspect of any romantic relationship, as it fosters a deeper bond and a sense of being valued for who you truly are. I want to know everything about you. This statement signifies a genuine deep interest in who you are as a person. It goes beyond surface level curiosity. It's about wanting to connect with you on a deeper level. Now, this desire to know everything about you, your past, your dreams, your fears, indicates she's investing emotionally and sees you as an important part of her life. It's a clear sign that she's not just interested in a casual relationship, but is seeking to build something more meaningful and lasting. I've never felt this way before. When she expresses that her feelings for you are unlike anything she's experienced before, it's a strong indicator of the depth and intensity of her emotions. This can signify that what she feels for you is unique and possibly overwhelming in a positive way. It suggests that you've touched her life in a way that no one else has, marking the experience as special and significant in her journey of love and relationships. Do you think we are soulmates? This is a profound question that hints at her contemplating a deep, almost predestined connection with you. When a woman starts to think of the concept of soulmates in the context of your relationship, it indicates that she's seeing you as more than just a partner, as someone who deeply resonates with her on a spiritual or existential level. It's a sign that she's considering the long-term potential and depth of your relationship, often seen as a significant step towards a serious commitment. So now that you know what she says when she's falling for you, uncover more secrets, discover the weird things that girls do when they like you, or learn the signs that a woman wants you to notice her. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment with your experiences, and subscribe for more insights.